Algebraic expansion means getting rid of the brackets. So it simply means removing the brackets. So if I have 4xz times 3y, so here I have to multiply 4 times 3 and the answer is 12. Then I multiply xz times y and the answer is xyz. In the second one, I have x times y plus z. So first I will multiply x times y and the answer is xy. Then I multiply x times z, which is equal to xz. So the final answer here is xy plus xz. In the last example, I have a plus b times c plus d. So here I will multiply first a times c, which is ac, then a times d, which is equal to ad. Then I multiply b times c and the answer is bc, and finally b times d, which is equal to bd. So the final answer in this algebraic expansion is AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. So let's have an example. The first one is x plus 2 times 2y plus 4. So first I will multiply x times 2y and the answer is 2xy. Then I multiply x times 4, which is 4x. Then I multiply 2 times 2y, which is 4y. And finally I multiply 2 times 4 and the answer is 8. So the final answer here is 2xy plus 4x plus 4y plus 8. In the second example, I have x minus y times 2x plus 2y plus 3. So here I will multiply x times 2x, x times 2y and x times 3. Then I multiply negative y times 2x, negative y times 2y, and negative y times 3. So first I have x times 2x, which is equal to 2x squared. Then I have 2x times 2y, which is 2xy. And I have x times 3, which is 3x. Then I multiply negative y times 2x, which is equal to negative xy. And I multiply negative y times 2y, which is negative 2y squared. And finally I multiply negative y times 3, and the answer is negative 3y. Now I will collect like terms, so 2xy will cancel out with negative 2xy, so the final answer is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2y squared minus 3y.